looking at the price of Bitcoin on the daily chart for kind of the long-term swing trading, I would deduce that fairly soon we could be looking for a price correction, quite a big one, anywhere from 20 to 30%. What I cannot say is if it's going to be this week or in the next 2 weeks. It could have another leg up, or it could sharply go down this week. So looking at the chart, if you're looking at the RSI, the relative strength index, every time Bitcoin goes under 30, it indicates that it's oversold, and then all of a sudden new buyers come in, and then the price then starts going up again for a few weeks. Quite often when it goes over 70 to about 80, it goes down, and sometimes it can go down for a week and then pop up again before making a big correction. So we don't really know if we'll do that every time, but for me, that is the indicators that I am looking at. On top of that, you can see the price momentum is that when the blue line crosses the red line in the MACD, when the 12-day EMA crosses the 26-day EMA, that indicates that there's new momentum for it to go up. And when the 12 EMA crosses under the 26 EMA, it can cross back over it again for a little leg up for a week or two, but it's still an indication that we are coming to a price correction soon. So quite recently we made an all-time high of 6,187, and it was bouncing up and down this blue channel. Then it broke out, then it broke out again. Then it made the all-time high, and then after the Bitcoin Gold the fork hasn't completed, but they took a snapshot of the public ledger, and then now we've been looking at a 3-day sell-off. So looking at the 4-hour chart, it seems to have gone all the way down to 5,650, which is, I'm going to call that a support line. That support line is coming from last week's big massive jump. So I would say this week, if it goes below that line, it will probably suddenly go down and go down quite a bit. But if it stays above it, maybe, just maybe, it'll have another week or two of trying to make a new all-time high before the big price correction. But one thing I am fairly sure is that either this week or at the start of November, it will be a bear market, and the price will be going up and down 10% for a month, and then I'll be looking for a new buy entry for long-term swing trading. So then I'll be looking at the RSI being under 30, which usually only does that for 1 day, and the 12 EMA crossing the 26-day EMA. So, like, subscribe and share this video if you find it interesting. I find it useful. I made a slight update to my website, cheapestbitcoinprice.com. So when I make an update on Steemit, it will post those charts on the home page of my website. I update my Steemit page more often than I do my website. You can also find me on Twitter and Facebook, choosebitcoinprice.com. If you find this information useful, a donation would be quite encouraging. So good luck.